Denali Advanced Integration and Cisco Systems. Ladies and gentlemen, join me in welcoming Mr. Chad Gardner.
Thank you. Thank you. Again, good morning, and on behalf of PaloAlto Networks and our ecosystem partners, I want to say thank you for taking the time out of your day to spend it with us as we talk about cybersecurity and walk through some of the things that we're going to look into around securing the cloud. So Anil and the team invited me to come over and participate in this event and follow on the great speakers that you saw this morning and talk a little bit about the solutions that PaloAlto is bringing to market to assist you in securing your move to the cloud. So before we actually dive into those solutions and look at them at a high level, I do want to make sure that we set a strong foundation for the discussion. So the first piece is to really understand what we're faced with in today's enterprise. As application deployments continue to evolve and actually expand different methodologies from moving from the private data center to the public cloud, to also include SaaS, it's bringing more and more complexity into our environment. And I use the word expand intentionally because it's not evolve. Because the reality is each and every one of you most likely have applications that are being deployed in each and every one of those scenarios. It's not moving from one to the other. But you have to continue to maintain applications across those different deployment scenarios. Again, we are seeing customers throughout the world continue to invest in purchasing and developing applications that need to be implemented in their private data centers as well as the public cloud, and then a tremendous velocity for the adoption of SaaS applications that are purpose-built, that are brought in a lot of cases by folks on the business, in the business side of the house, that don't necessarily take into account the impact it could have on security. Then while you have that complex environment, it is also understood that within the enterprise today, it continues to be an expectation to provide managed internet access in a secure fashion. So I'll pause there, because that's actually, there's a lot of complexity that gets introduced within the application deployment methodologies that we're facing today. And I see a show of hands of how many of you live in this type of world today within your environment. I think it's a very interesting thing, and again, we see that the majority of our customers are faced with this. But this is only half the challenge. The other half of the challenge is presented by the user community. The user community their expectations are continuing to evolve at a very rapid pace, and they expect to be able to securely connect to all of the applications, no matter where they may reside, from whatever location they may be resident in, on whatever device they may be utilizing, whether it be a personal device, a corporate issued device, or a mobile device. For example, 2 days ago as I traveled from Seattle to Dubai, and from Dubai to Mumbai, I actually had an expectation as a user that throughout that journey, I was going to be able to be connected no matter where I was, whether I was in the coffee shop, whether I was on the aircraft, whether I was at the airport. My expectation as a user, fair or not, was that I was going to be able to connect to all the applications that are required for me to carry out my job here at PaloAlto Networks. So if we take that landscape, again, it's something that's very complex and a challenge that we're all faced with every day. The one other aspect to this is how do you then deliver in an environment like this without compromising the security posture? So at PaloAlto Networks, we actually look at this, and if we look at it with relatively moving to the cloud, we take the user and actually break that into two distinct groups. There's the DevOps users. Again, you've heard some about them already this morning. We'll talk a little bit about the offerings that we provide for that user community. And then we have the enterprise user. Again, two distinct groups with two distinct sets of security requirements. If we look at the enterprise user is, we are focused on providing and enabling secure access to the applications and the data as it may exist within the cloud. Again, as an enterprise user, no matter where you may be, whatever device you may be on, the expectation is at any time I can access my data through my applications, whether they reside in the data center, private data center, public cloud, or SaaS applications. So currently today,